No one cares.
So Mr. Nixon and Mr. Lindsay, I'm going to require that they obtain their GED. In addition to that, for all three candidates, I'm also going to require that they obtain employment once released.
That Mr. Lindsay, I don't know anybody that's running into felons. In my experience, that they've had extremely difficult getting jobs, especially when the word game is connected. So I would support to put some type of language that says to the ability to do so.
I am going to speak lightly to you all at the end of this. I reject that statement because certainly folks for me all the time have felony convictions, also have jobs, and felony convictions, also have jobs. It may not be the job that you want, however, it is a gainful employment place. I have folks who currently are in a job before me, have jobs and have paper workers on them, and have previous conditions. So I'm going to speak lightly to these gentlemen once we get to the end, but I reject that because I want Mr. Lindsay to know that Mr. Lindsay, this is either a stumbling block for you, or it is a stepping stone, or it is something that you will never recover. And I want you to know that you can get a job, you can live a life that is one that is going to be productive to you, which is why I require you to be. I also know several folks, and I bring kids to the courtroom all the time. And I've had former gang members, alleged gang members, accused gang members, former folks who have been convicted of literally capital offenses come in and say that they have been able to do X, Y, Z, even with the. Okay, so I understand what Ms. Bingham is saying, but that doesn't mean that you can't do it, and that doesn't mean that I'm going to not require you to get a job. Because here's what I also find: that when folks don't have jobs, they tend to have way too much time. So, okay, so I understand your request is tonight.
We understand, and we too rebuke the devil regarding his life, but we just want to do this holistic, not violations in place, because my concern is that he's reporting. And he says, I applied for this job, and I didn't get this job, and that would still be a revocation, because
It's not my experience with probation. My experience is they don't with most people unless you show them that you're not going to fund. For every single one that I've had, and certainly folks will tell you, I am very intentional about when folks tell me they don't have their GED unless you tell them there's a reason why you can't get it. I'm very intentional about saying, hey, you must get your GED. I'm very intentional about saying, hey, you must obtain your. In fact, we had a gentleman in here the other day who said he was a rapper, and I asked him if he had any songs that I do. He said, I only want to just in case, because you know, states. And I said, oh, okay. I said, so you got to get a job. Even if you are running your own studio, and certainly you have the public defender, so I'm not sure how much your label was making, but you got to get a job, okay? So you got to get a job. That's my position. All right? And I believe you can get jobs, but you're 23, Mr. Lynn's 23 years old, right? Right, that's the other reason why you got to get a job. But Mr. King here is 42 years old, right? His life is not over either. But you have way more life ahead of you than he has had, and he's the same age, right? You got to get a job. You're 23, you're way too young. You got to get a job. You're 27, you're way too young. You got to get a job, some job, whatever job is, okay? You're 42, you're way too young. We both still young people. In my mind, still people I see. So, we all get jobs around here, okay? All right, go ahead. Anything else?
Nothing to say.
Any objection to the job or the GED on it other than what this is?
just what was previously stated. So,
All right. Gentlemen, I have in my hand the plea of guilty form for each of them. I'm going to start one by one. First with Mr. King. Mr. King, did you go over this form with Mr. Steele and Mr. McGuffey?
yes.
All right. If you'll look at me for just 1 second, 20. Are these your initials at the bottom of each page?
Yes.
One more time. Is this your signature on the bottom of page 3?
Yes.
Did you understand everything that was in this form?
Yes.
Each of these questions have initials of GK next to them. Did you initial each and every question?
Yes.
Did you understand everything that was in this form and the rights that you were given about proceeding in this?
Yes, I understand.
Mr. Steele, did you go over this form?
Through the sign interpreter. American. Yes.
Are you satisfied that you understood everything by way of the interpretation and translation?
Yes.
Are you satisfied that he is, that he understands the rights that he's given about proceeding in this?
Right.
Mr. King, have you understood everything that has transpired here thus far?
Yes.
Are you satisfied with the services of your attorney?
Yes.
Do you need more time to speak with the attorney?
We had enough time.
Okay. Do you have any questions for the court or your attorney? If so, like we did on Monday, ask Mr. Steele first and he'll. Mr. King, I do find that your plea is knowingly and voluntarily given with a full understanding of the charges against you. I am going to accept your plea to count 6, the state having nullified counts 1 through 5 and counts 7 through 21, to the singular remaining count of violation of Street Gang Terrorism and Prevention Act, count 6. I do sentence you to 20 years to serve 10 years in custody with the balance on probation. Special conditions of your sentence: you are to have no contact with gang members with the exception of immediate family.
I understand.
You are not to participate in any games or gang activity.
Yes.
You are to have no contact with Demario Gilbert. You are to have no,
Yes.
you are to have no contact with your co-defendants in this case.
I understand.
You are to stay away from the location of 221 Cleveland Avenue, Atlanta, Georgia. Is that
I'm not sure you're not what's up.
and with specificity, the gas station that this instance took place.
I think it is since changed from 750.
Well, that's why I didn't say that. That's why I just said. Everyone by that. You may not possess any weapons or replicas of weapons, so that includes toy guns and BBs. You must obtain and maintain gainful employment.
Yes.
While you are seeking employment, you must keep an employment log to show probation the jobs that you are applying for if they ask.
Okay.
Sir, that will be the sentence up first.
Okay. Yes.
Any questions of me or Mr. Steele?
No questions. I'm good. Thank you.
All right. Mr. King will also get credit for the time he has done in Rice Street, which is 5 minutes and 18 minutes.
Yeah, I asked the court. We have never